Here's your new dashboard. So as you can see, I gave you some categories to get started with. You can keep these. You can click the three dots, delete them if you don't need them. If you want something to be on pause, you can click into it. On pause, you see it went away, and then you'll be able to find it here. TikTok's on pause. Oh, I think actually we have two TikToks. Let's delete this one. And what else? What else? So because I'm me, it's all color coded. So yellow is content. And then up here, you'll see each category. Yellows are content, green finances, clients are red. Down here, you'll see that clients are red. So all of these colors match up here. And you have a link to the Canva template. So you can edit as you wish. Again, you can delete these, you can add new ones. Here's how you add a new one actually. So you're gonna hit new. Let's make this, what do we make it? Legal stuff. Oh, you know what? Let's make it a contractor. Marie. Marie is our contractor. Oh look, contractor already there. And then like we can have notes about Marie, blah blah blah, right? I won't put an icon for now. We'll add a cover. We'll go to Canva. Make this for Marie. Let's center it. And what about like, oh, let's do charcoal. Because I haven't used that color yet. I want like a good one though. Gray. Boom. All right, download Marie's cover. Boom, come back over here. Cool, we have a motion of contractor. And then up here, you could, sorry, you don't need this. You could add Marie here if you want. I do for the people that I work with because, yeah, we'll do gray. I like to assign things like here so I can say something like, I would do like, explain how to post, to Instagram. And I would give that to Marie. Like, so for me to explain to Marie how to post to Instagram. So I would put it as its own thing. And then here you're going to change the cover, upload. We just downloaded Marie's cover. Is this Marie's cover? No, that's not Marie's cover. Upload. Where are you at, Marie? Downloads. It was Marie playing with us? Oh, I never hit download. Here she is. All right, and now lastly, you just need your to-do list. So I'm gonna go all action, copy link to view. I do all action because you want to keep the same filter and sort arrangement aside from one thing. So it's just easier to copy from all action. Whichever link you put, actually, the list will pop up. We'll call this for Marie. And then I'm going to hit filter, add a filter for Marie. Save. Tap filter again. So that goes away. Et voila. And then I like full width. When it's in the side view like this, it doesn't really matter that much. Same with if it's in the center view, then the whole full width thing doesn't matter that much. But if you do view in full page, then it makes a difference. I like it like this. Boom, boom. And then you can literally build a whole dashboard for Marie. You can link to the contract that she signed, any details about her, the things that you need to reference, her phone number, anything you need handy for Marie. Now you have a whole dashboard. Let's go back to, okay, this is your gallery. I wanted to point out that, again, like I said, you can delete things, put things on pause, and you can also change the size. So you can go to layout, card size medium, card size small, and I actually think I have mine zoomed out a bit. You hit command plus and command minus, or control plus, control minus if you're on a PC. You can play with the size, but I'll put it like that. And yeah, this is your new business HQ.